When we were introducing this function, it is that we had a NEC meeting this morning, and the NEC meeting follows the ruling that was made by the High Court, and which gave us the conservatory orders. The orders were given on the 13th of July to the effect that the officials who should manage the affairs of Jubilee Party are those officials who were elected during the NDC of 22nd of March 2022. And it is he has also been able to clarify to you or to explain to you that other issues have happened during perhaps the pendency of that matter. And he has mentioned that many of the NEC officials, and especially those who are not interested in learning Jubilee, they were interested in trying to sell it. In fact, let me tell you this. Hao ambao wamekuwa kitusubua walikuwa wameambiwa kwamba wapeleke Jubilee State House na watapatiwa maakuli ya aina fulani. They had been promised whatever they were promised on account of managing to hide up Jubilee. But again, to say thank you to all members, kwa sababu chama si ya wale walichaguliwa. Chama ni ya wanachama, na wanachama are all over the country. And I want to take this opportunity to thank our Jubilee members and followers. Wengine wamekuwa wakiomba usiku na mchana. Wengine walikuwa nafunga kula na kunywa, wakiombea chama na wakiombea party leader. Na tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa sababu kufikia leo, kufikia jana, tumeona mkono wake. Kwa hayo mengi na machache nataka kusema ni shukrani kubwa. We are here also to celebrate this birthday of our party leader, and it is because among the many things he's been instrumental in many things. Mambo mengi ambayo hatuwezi tukataja leo, lakini niguzie moja ambalo mimi ulikumbuka wa kila wakati. He gave title deeds to the Nubians in Kibra. He also gave them ID cards. Imagine being in a country for almost 60 years. You don't have a title, a place you've lived all that long in your ancestral land, and you do not have an ID. I'm sure the Nubians, because I've listened to them, I heard them in Bomas, are very happy, and they are very happy with Uhuru. During his tenure, he constructed a level 2 hospital in all the slums of Nairobi. In all the slums, level 2 hospital. Zingine alikuwa anatembea hata usiku kufungua ili apunguze gharama ya mambo ya kufanya kazi kwa serikali. I am sure Ruto may want to go and relaunch them, because that is also something that is a lot that can be done by a president ambaye akona njia hiyo. Mukasema SGR, look at that monumental development. SGR hata kama walisema haiendi popote, I see them looking for money now to take it forward, meaning it is useful for this country. They badmouthed it, it is going to help generations to come. Expressway, walisema, my friend Musari aliuliza kama tunaweza kula barabara alipokuwa anatumia hiyo. Ni kweli barabara ni chakula, kwa sababu bila barabara hata you cannot take food into the market. That's another milestone. Electricity connectivity in this country, another milestone. The national unity ambayo alileta, where every Kenyan was a shareholder, another milestone. He has been a father to this nation by ensuring that 100% transition. Sijui kama mnakumbuka, it is only last year machizu walikuwa wanafutwa kazi kama mtoto wa area kwake hajaenda form 1. Forgotten. Sasa watoto wanaradarada huko. You will soon see very many street families in this town. At the universities, there was also the same policy that you finish Form 4, you transit to tertiary universities, either to the universities, tertiary colleges, either to university, TVETs, and all other such institutions. Leader mama walikuwa wanajifungua bila uoga ya kufa, wakijifungua ama kupoteza wazazi, watoto walipokuwa wanajifungua. Wakati huu wewe hiyo kazi inaambiwa ni bidii yako, ifanye ukiwa peke yake. You've been left on your own. Inua jamii programs, the cash transfer to the elderly, vulnerable, the PWDs, the orphans, hata watu wengine ambao they have chronic cancers. Kazi mitaani, another milestone. Just imagine if COVID ilitupata tukiwa na KK kama serikali. Wewe mwenyewe hapana enda kufikiria ati utatafuta wadaktari. Jiulize kama COVID ingetugonga tukiwa na hii KK kwa serikali. He managed it, and other countries of the world would have been wanting to know how did Kenya manage it. And I have an example. The Chinese wanted some Kenyans to go and tell them how Kenyans managed COVID and managed the economy and managed the politics. And of course, after he left office, you can see that he has continued being the peacemaker. The handshake was nothing else other than peace for this country, even after a grueling campaign. Kwa hivyo, he has earned us respect hapa nyumbani, in Africa and globally, and that is why we want to celebrate him today during his 62 miaka 62. Hebu toa kwa yako. Now we want to thank Kenyans who have been celebrating him throughout the week, throughout the month. We could not make this public. If we had attempted to say yesterday ya kwamba tulikuwa na chelehe hii leo hapa, hii hapa yote, hii estate yote ikifurika na watu. So we made it quiet because it is meant to be neck and a few friends from Nairobi na kwingineko na wale wamekuja, na tunawashukuru wote. I finish by saying that the cost of living as a party, we also discussed the cost of living within the NEC, na tukasema kwamba hili ni jambo tunaona ambao walioko serikalini wakilichezea. Sijui kama nyinyi mliona kama mimi leo. Kwa barabara mtu alikuwa anakuja chwa mpaka pahali unaenda. Magari zimeenda wapi? Gharama ya petroli haiwezekani. Leo hii Kenya watu wanalala bila kula chakula. Tafadhali, and you know people think we are playing politics. We have families that sleep without eating. They even stay throughout the day without any hope of having a meal. And it is important that wale ambao wako serikalini, hata kama tunasema mazungumzo yawe kule national dialogue, mazungumzo ya gharama ya maisha, mambo ya gharama ya maisha ni ya wale ambao walituambia chukueni carton mwende nyumbani, siku yenu imebaki 8, mke tunajua kuendesha serikali, nyinyi muende. It is the responsibility of the KK regime so that to bring the cost of living down. If they don't, hiyo itakuwa jambo ambalo tutaongea baadaye kidogo. Kwa hayo mengi na machache, nataka kusema ni asanteni sana.